February 27, 2024 marks our scheduled date for our first concrete pouring here in our project at Greenmeadows Village. This is the proposed 3-story residence located here at Greenmeadows Village. This concrete pouring is for the phase 1 of our column footings. So this consists of 10 footings in total with 11 columns. The designated mix for this is 3000 PSI with 3/4 size aggregates to reach the maximum strength at 28 days and following a pumpcrete design specifications. So we have here our foreman Gilbert Nunez. He's doing the traditional tossing of coins or lucky charms. So we have every corners, we put every corners, and then sa pinaka-center ng ating columns.